Okay, I'm going to do U1A6 in two videos, and this is types of organic reactions, and we're going to cover three of them. There are more than this, but these are the five that are in the course. These are the first three. I'm going to show you look for so that you know what you're looking for when you're doing this. The first type of reaction is an addition reaction. You'll always know when you have an addition because you'll see a double bond in the carbon chain. You are going to add an HX. So HX can be H plus anything. So it can be HF, HCl, HOH, HNO2. It can be two H's, H2. So this X would be the second one. The only exception is two halogens like F2, Cl2, Br2, I2. Now, what happens is one of these two parts goes to the one carbon and one goes to the other. So we're going to break the double bond. And what's going to happen is there's something called Merkovnikov's rule, which they don't emphasize in the course, but usually the rich get richer. So this carbon right here has two hydrogens. This one has one. So it's always got to be on the double bond. The one that has the most hydrogens gets the hydrogen. So usually what we're going to make is this. So we'll call that X. So the hydrogen will go to the carbon that's got the most hydrogens. This one has two, this one only has one, and it's got to be on one of them in the double bond. The other one will get an X. Let's say that we were adding the F2. The F would go to one carbon, the other F would go to another. This is an addition. We always add to a double bond. Now, a deletion is the exact opposite. What you're going to do here is you're going to take a functional group away from one carbon, and you're going to take a hydrogen away from another one of those carbons. Now, it could have been either one of these two where the double bond goes, but I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to do this. And everybody says to me, they go, where'd the fluorine go? We don't care where the fluorine went. We are only chasing the organic structures, so we're only looking at those three carbons there. Now, the third one and the last one for this video is a substitution, and that's when you have a functional group. So remember, a functional group is anything that's added to a carbon other than hydrogen, and we're just going to trade spots. So this is what we're going to do. This is the first three types of reactions. Take note of your look fors. Start with a double bond, end with a double bond, two things switch places. We have two more functional groups to go.